Most people think Facebook only pays influencers or viral meme pages. That's not true, and honestly, that belief is costing beginners thousands. Because if you know what Facebook actually rewards, you can turn a small page into a real revenue stream, even if you're starting with 0 followers today. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact ways Facebook pays creators, plus the one mistake that stops most people from ever monetizing. Stick around because later in the video, I'll reveal the fastest monetization feature to qualify for. Almost nobody talks about this. When I first learned Facebook had multiple revenue tools, I realized I'd been leaving money on the table for years. So today I'm making sure you don't do the same. Facebook doesn't play you unless you play their game. Think of Facebook monetization like unlocking levels in a game. Each level has different requirements, different payouts, and different rules. Here's where beginners mess up. They post random content and wonder why nothing is happening. But Facebook only pays for content that keeps people on the platform. More engagement equals more eligibility. Facebook monetization level 1. In-stream ads. This is the most well-known monetization method. Facebook places ads before, during, or after your videos, and you earn a revenue share. Simple. To qualify, you need a Facebook page, not a personal profile, 5,000 followers, 60,000 minutes of watch time in the last 60 days. Here's the part nobody tells you. Shorter videos don't earn as much because there's less space for ads. But videos 3 minutes or longer can include in-stream ads and earn significantly more. Example, if you post helpful tutorials, make them 3 to 5 minutes. That's the sweet spot for revenue momentum. Facebook monetization level 2, subscriptions. This is where your loyal audience pays a monthly fee for exclusive content. You don't need to be huge, you just need fans who care. This works incredibly well if you teach something valuable. Fitness, recipes, tech tutorials, parenting hacks, personal development. Most beginners mess up by hiding everything behind the subscription. But the real win is offering extras, not everything. Think downloadable guides, exclusive Q&A sessions, early access. Facebook monetization level 3. Stars. Stars let your audience tip you during live videos, reels, or standard posts. Viewers buy stars from Facebook and send them to you, and you get paid. Here's a quick analogy. If YouTube Super Chats and TikTok gifts had a child, it would be Facebook stars. This is perfect for lives, tutorials, storytelling, behind-the-scenes content. Here's where most beginners mess up. They never ask for stars, so their audience don't even know they can support them. Just say, if you're enjoying this video, you can send stars. It helps the page a lot. Simple, effective. Facebook monetization level 4. Branded content, aka sponsorships. This is one of the highest paying methods. Brands pay you to promote a product or service, and Facebook requires you to tag them with their branded content tool for transparency. Here's the part nobody tells you. Brands don't care about your follower count nearly as much as they care about your niche, your engagement, and your content quality. A page with 5,000 engaged followers can earn more than a page with 50,000 random ones. Micro creators are in demand right now. Facebook monetization level 5. Paid online events. This is one of the least used features, and that's exactly why it's a huge opportunity. You can charge for workshops, classes, master classes, challenges, live trainings. Facebook handles the ticketing. You just show up and teach. Example, if you're great at Canva, create a $5 Instagram graphics in 30 minutes workshop. Sell 100 tickets equals $500 for one session. Facebook monetization level 6, affiliate or partner sales through your page. This isn't an official Facebook payout, but it counts as real monetization. Anytime you share affiliate links on your page, product recommendations, tools, software, courses, and your audience buys, you earn. It's one of the easiest ways to make money on Facebook before you unlock the official Facebook monetization tools. Advanced Facebook monetization tip. Here's something people usually discover months later. Reels are the fastest way to hit monetization requirements. Not because Reels themselves pay a lot, but because they grow your Facebook page insanely fast. Reels equals reach, reach equals followers, followers and watch time equals monetization eligibility. One creator went from 0 to 5,000 followers under 30 days by posting one reel per day. No fancy editing, no professional camera, just helpful, simple content. If you want to qualify for monetization quickly, focus on Reels and 3-minute videos. If this Facebook monetization video helped you understand how to earn money from Facebook, hit like and subscribe. It tells YouTube you want more videos like this. And if you want even more Facebook tips and tricks, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.